Hello and what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. And today we're checking out a Kizer knife. I believe this one is from their drop here, March 2025. And yeah, excited to check this one out, share my raw first impressions with you guys. We are talking about the Sparrow, a 3¼ inch blade here, a Vincent Rizzo design S45 VN blade, marble carbon fiber titanium handle on a frame lock. So this one should be pretty epic. Of course, this knife and every other knife you see in this video will be linked down below. So check out those links. Those do help out the channel at zero extra cost to you. Go ahead and take a look. Figure out last unboxing that you definitely want to use this nail nick here for this additional flap. That's a little bit of a premium ad there. We got the knife pouch there. We got the Kizer sticker there with the koala action for fun. We have additional hardware. It's always pretty cool. And the Kizer knife details. Feel free to scan those, and the wiping cloth. So typical stuff there on the box. Let's go ahead and take a look. Got the fabric pouch here with the Velcro. Kizer logo on the outside. Bam, boom. Here we go. All right. Let's take a look at this one, guys. Now, it's not the first time seeing the Sparrow in the channel. I have checked out the titanium Sparrow some time ago, but this is a new variant of it, and holy smokes, yeah, I'm digging it. Let's see. We got the blacked out titanium on this side with the blacked out blade. All right, we got the works, and not just any kind of carbon fiber. We got this sort of black grayish looking carbon fiber. They call it the marble carbon fiber. So we get you guys a closer look here so you can take it in. All right, there it is. So it's kind of similar to like a shredded carbon fiber, but it doesn't have a pattern. It's more like random carbon fiber, right, on this one side. So it's looking pretty interesting. No liner. Am I seeing a liner there? Yes, I think I see a liner on the inside. The other side is full titanium with milling on the inside as well. We got a back spacer there, which is getting a little bit of a pull here. So this is, yeah, pull towards the liner, not the back spacer, and obviously not towards the titanium side. The hardware is steel, right? So is the pivot. Pocket clip is titanium as well. So we got the blacked out titanium side with the titanium pocket clip, carbon fiber side with some stainless steel inlays on the inside there. Flipper deployment. Let's go ahead and zoom out here, right, so you guys can see a better picture. We got flipper deployment there with some good jimping, and we got the half moon opening hole. So if I remember, the action on this thing is very, very nice. So let's go ahead and deploy here. Bam, there is your deployment right there with the flipper, right? We got a sort of reverse tanto looking blade there, S45 VN on this one, a Sparrow Blackbird blades collaboration. Good access to the frame lock from the show side. Let me see here. There we go. Easy to disengage. Check out the lock-up situation there. It's all blacked out, a little bit harder to see, but it's like maybe a 10%, 10-15%. You can see the D10 ball there. We got a steel insert for steel on steel contact. That's always better for longevity, right? And it's on ball bearing, so very drop shotty action right there. That is nice. All right, check that out. Oof. Reverse flick. If you guys are ready, I'm ready. Bam, right? Yeah, that is smooth. Not difficult at all. Easy to reverse flick right there. Bam. And then thumb deployment. Oh yeah, that is nice. I mean, these knives are so well tuned. So well tuned. Very, very good action. Every single one of those 3 deployment options are pretty good. Yeah, I was gonna say, we can light switch it, we can push button it, right? The flipper works really good, especially with that jimping on there. And the ergos on this thing are gonna be really, really good. You can get a full purchase right behind the flipper tab. That's going to be your finger guard. I wouldn't necessarily forward choke on this one. It's not as comfortable. Probably not meant for you to forward choke anyway. And yeah, good ergos here. Pocket clip is very comfortable as well. Do remember that from the original Sparrow that I checked out here in the channel some time ago, the full titanium one. And I do have a review for this knife already in the channel, so check that out if you haven't already. So good ergos. Now, as far as the blade, we have that reverse tanto blade there with a flat grind going on. It's about the halfway point of the blade. That is your flat grind, right? It's going to be really good for utility cuts, draw cuts, or pinch grip situation to open up packages that way as well, right? Utility cuts and draw cuts. It's going to be a very great knife for EDC, no doubt about it, and with some awesome action. So, and this one got the works, right? So it's going to be a little bit on the premium side, since you have the titanium and you have the carbon fiber there, and the amazing action that I definitely recall when I first checked out this guy. So let's do some size comparisons here just to give you a ballpark idea. Right next to another Kizer drop from March 2025, and this is the Crest. Check out the unboxing on this one if you haven't already. Pretty similar size there. Very comparable, I want to say. I'm trying to decipher if one is bigger than the other or not, but they both look pretty comparable. Here's the Kizer Tomb, a February 2025 release. Right, very comparable size-wise right there. Here's the Bamboo as well. These are on the budget end of things. Very affordable, very elegant. I got content on these if you guys want to check them out as well. From February, we got the Mini Mystic, a Paul Munko design. Check that one out. Very comparable size-wise. I think the Mini Mystic might be a little bit bigger. And of course, the Mini Momo, just to come full circle there. The Mini Momo is just a little bit shorter, right, as you can see. Let's do some more of the typical knives here in the channel, shall we? Here's your PM2. Right, that's going to be a little bit bigger. As you can see, here's your Para 3. Definitely more Para 3 size, indeed. Here's that Demko AD 20.5. Right, actually just a hair bigger than the AD 20.5. Here's that Nano Shark. It's going to be a little smaller there, no doubt. On the budget end of things, we got the Tenable Fenrir and the CJRB Pyrite Light. Right, very comparable to the Pyrite Light. Maybe just a hair shorter. The Fenrir is much bigger. And last but not least, the Fintiso Parrot, highly recommendable there, and the Vosteed Corgi. Right, those are absolute bangers there in the budget territory. Check them out. If you haven't already, I got content for all of these here on the channel. If you search for the knife name Miguel EDC on the YouTube search box, you'll be able to find those right away. And I do have them all linked down below as well if you want to check them out. Get scientific with it here. I got a piece of textbook paper, right? We said that this was S45, not S35, but 45 VN. Feels pretty good there on the edge. You get you the 5x zoom there. And here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, absolutely. Go into that paper very effortlessly. Not that it's proving much. I mean, any knife for that matter should be able to go through paper just like that. Right? Not from Kizer, but I have had a few knives here and there from other brands in the history of the channel who haven't even been able to do this. So this should be the bare minimum. Any knife should be able to do this, right? And then from here, we got some cardboard, so single wall cardboard. Remember, when cutting cardboard, don't cut perpendicular but at an angle. So it's going to look something like this. Oh yeah. Flat grind, putting in work all day, every day. Check that out. Bam. And boom. Yeah, even comes with sound effects. And you do have a pretty good, decent cutting path, so that's nice. It has this black coating on this one. I do believe there are other variants available, so keep that in mind also. Wiping off some of the extra oils there from the pivot and whatnot. And yeah, check out the other variants too, because I do know they have other variants as well. So if this blacked out version speaks to you, then there you go. If not, they have, I believe, some other options definitely available. The Sparrow, again, not a brand new model, right, but definitely a relaunched model now with some more additional variants. I gotta love that. Yeah, I definitely love the design of the knife, right? Great for EDC, great action, just a no hassle, great EDC knife right here. So rate the edge on this thing, right? Factory edge on a scale from 1 through 10. How sharp is this guy? Right, you all let me know. Well, there you guys have it. That is the Kizer Sparrow, right? Having another drop here with some new awesome materials, awesome color wave. Definitely check them out. They have all kinds of different variants. For this knife, I believe there is a budget version that's even more affordable. There's a full titanium version as well out there. Again, I'll have this one linked down below if you guys want to check them out. Just like every other knife you saw in this video. That might be a little bit too zoomed in, Miguel. Yeah, definitely check those links below if you're interested in picking one up. Using those links do help out the channel, but at zero extra cost and completely up to you, of course. Guys, let me know your thoughts on this one. What do you like, right? What do you love about the knife? Is there anything you dislike? What are your thoughts, feedbacks, questions, concerns? Let's hang out in the comment section down below. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps this video get pushed to a larger audience. And do consider subscribing. I promise you it'll be worth coming back for more. Shout out to Kizer for sending this one in for me to check out and share with you guys. And shout out to my Patreon supporters and channel members for supporting what I do here. You guys are awesome. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for your love and support. Take care, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Either this one here to the left or that one right there to the right. Peace!